YouTube family. I'm Lakisha Scott, owner and founder of Paige Marie LLC. We are a beauty brand specializing in hair care and skincare. Our first product will be launching January 4th, 2021. Pre-orders will open December 14th, 2020. The first product that we will be launching is called the Moisture Rich and Strengthening Deep Conditioner, which is a nice 8-ounce jar of creamy, lightweight deep conditioner that your hair will love. This deep conditioner is packed with luxury ingredients, but the 3 key ingredients that I would like to bring up are hyaluronic acid, marula oil, and amino acids. So hyaluronic acid is one of the most moisturizing ingredients out there in the cosmetic market today, mainly used for skincare. But Paige Marie LLC, we incorporate it into our formulations because we feel it's important that we incorporate quality ingredients that promote the most moisture for dry, brittle textures, such as mine. My hair is a fine texture and it's low density. Marula oil is rich with vitamin C and E, which nourishes your hair from root to tip. Amino acids help with overall strength of your hair. Amino acids increase strength, elasticity, and help reduce frizz. So a little bit about me. I have a beautiful 18-month-old baby girl named Phoenyx Paige. I have a wonderful husband that we've been married for 20 years. I started this business because I really couldn't find hair care products for my fine, low-density textured hair. So in 2011, I had started basically hand formulating my own products. Most hair care products out there weigh my hair down, so I couldn't find a balance of ingredients that didn't weigh my hair down and ingredients that were clean and quality. My background is in pharmacy and chemistry, which led me to start formulating my own products back in 2011. So fast forward to 2019. After giving birth to my baby girl, unfortunately I suffered from a rare condition called SCAD, which is spontaneous coronary dissection. It is a rare condition that causes your artery to tear and causes blockage of other arteries. I'll go into more details later in another video. After this unfortunate situation, God opened my eyes and led me to pursue my passion, which is formulating and hair care. Thank you for watching this introductory video of Paige Marie Hair Care. Subscribe for more, and I'll be providing hair care tutorials. I'll be providing product launches, giveaways. So subscribe for more, and thank you for watching. Bye-bye.